construction, y'all. I said, Mama, Liberia is under construction. What's up, dog? You alright? I'm good. How about you? Liberia is under construction, isn't it? No? You're not getting me? I said, Mama, Liberia is under construction. You guys doing a great job. Thank you. Y'all see Liberia is under construction, you guys. All of you in America, UK, Canada, that's worried about, should I come home? Come home now. You guys need to come home so we can build this nation and make it great. You see all these young men, they need jobs. Your country can give them jobs. They just passing about because they need jobs. And you know, young folks, you don't give them jobs. The foolish ones will get into crimes and drugs and all kinds of foolishness. The one who's not foolish will try the best to hustle, do their KK, whatever they call it, the taxi, the motorbike. Those are the good ones. The foolish ones, hard time will make them do foolish things. You know, so don't come home. Let's forget about nation. See, the country's under construction since November. Since we received the result of the election,